friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney, and today's video is going to be one that I didn't realize, but I have not done in a long time, and that is a Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned. I was doing some work on my channel, organizing playlists and things, and I realized that I have not done a Dollar Tree haul in forever. I've done Dollar Tree DIYs, but I haven't done a haul. And so I've been in the Dollar Tree a decent amount lately, getting stuff for the hospital, for the nursery, etc. And so I wanted to share with you some of the finds that I've accumulated. This is multiple trips over the past maybe 2-ish weeks. So it's a decent amount of stuff, but it's not all from one Dollar Tree. So I've mentioned it before, but there's probably 5 or 6 Dollar Trees super close to my work. So I just run on lunch and see what they have. So now let's get into the haul. So let's start with seasonal stuff, and the Easter stuff is starting to come out at the Dollar Tree. There have been some really cute signs that I have seen online, some like little trucks and stuff that I've been looking for. I have not seen those in Northern Illinois where I am from, but I have seen some of these other items, so I want to grab them. It might be a little too early for you to start thinking about Easter, but these craft supplies will go fast, especially the ones I'm about to show you. So get on that. If you find them, don't delay. So the first thing I grabbed was this little bunny hanger, and these are awesome for DIYs. These things take stain really well, they take paint really well. They're also really good for kids' crafts in general. They're pretty thin, so you can hang them on whatever, and they're not going to be too heavy. They glue together really well, so I just really like these. You guys have seen a ton of signs that I've made out of this, so I have a project in mind coming up for a video with this guy. They have a lot of cute yarn kits this year, and this one I grabbed specifically for these little white pom-poms. I've made these before for other projects, but honestly this year being pregnant, I said forget it. I'm just gonna buy these. It's like 5 in here for $1, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, four. So it's 2 kits, and it makes this little bunny situation here, which is cute. But I plan on just using those for a DIY, so I grabbed these so I didn't have to mess with the time to make the pom-poms. They had some chicks, they had a few different other options there in the front area for Easter. So these are a new find. I don't remember seeing them last year, and they're super cute. These are not technically Easter decor, but I'm counting them as Easter decor because that's what I plan on using them for. These are for an upcoming DIY. I had this idea last year actually around Easter, and I couldn't find these things, so when I found them I grabbed 2 packs. They're the faux moss stones. These I found in the floral section, but sometimes this time of year actually, it's near the front with all the spring stuff. So I grabbed 2 packs of these. There's 10 in each, so there's gonna be a DIY coming up for these. These were my favorite find last year at the Dollar Tree, so I had to pick up some more, and they're these cute little carrots. I have done garland, a couple other different things with them. I will link my Easter DIYs down below from last year. I'm pretty sure everything I made last year you could recreate this year because I've seen everything in stores. So I will link those down there below. But these are just so nice. You can literally go from the easiest thing to put them on shelves, tiered trays, etc., all the way up to DIYing with them. They're super light, so they hang really well on jute twine. They're really good quality. 2 other things I grabbed multiples of were these little craft bottles. I did some Valentine's DIYs with these last year, and they turned out really good. So when I saw them back for Easter, literally the only Easter thing about them is that there's an Easter like thing on the top. So you could use these for whatever, but they're plastic, which I like, and they're shorter. So the reason I like the plastic and the shorter is, one, they're lighter. So if you've got a slightly flimsy tiered tray, it'll be really good on that. Also, it's nice because if you've got little kids and they knock something off, no harm, no foul, because it's not gonna break, it's not gonna hurt them, because it's light and it's not gonna shatter. And then ultimately the shorter profile helps when you put it on that tray because you can fit it in a lot of different areas instead of just like a typical mason jar. So that's why I like these. And then I also grabbed a lot of these foam eggs. They are essentially just ornaments for an Easter tree, but I have a different project in mind for these. I am going to use them for a dupe for another piece of decor I saw somewhere else, way more expensive, so stay tuned for that one too. Now to just general decor. I was so excited when I found these. So these were in the regular like bath and organization aisle, and they are these rugs. Look how big this is for the Dollar Tree. So this is a 16 by 24 inch rug. I really like the print on here. It's very farmhouse. This would be great for your front door. We put one of these at the back door when Sebastian comes in. He, like, if it's snowy or whatever, he can just get a little bit of the snow off his paws. But like, seriously, compared to me, like, look how big this is. This is awesome with the cute little tassels, like the whole thing. I don't know if this is something that they're gonna start carrying or if this was like a fluke thing. The tag does say Greenbrier, which is Dollar Tree brand. I haven't really seen anybody else share these, but these things are so cute. This one actually matches a blanket I got at Five Below, so super excited to find this. Next up for decor, I found this in the checkout area, and I thought this was a super great base for a DIY. It looks like one of those like pennant banners, and the top is like wood. So what I plan to do is to kind of sand this down, refinish it, and actually put it on the wall up here behind me in the nursery, because I think if I kind of paint it and put a stencil on it, it will be really, really cute. So if I do that and have time before I run out of time before little man comes, I will definitely share that DIY with you. Speaking of foxes, I grabbed this little planter. This is what it looks like on the box, and by seeing the little succulent on the top, I thought I would grab one of these short ones to put in there. So $2, super cute, will look really good on little man shelves. And then also in the little fairy garden section, I did find this little red truck. Every red truck I have is super seasonal, so it's got like Christmas trees in the back or like whatever. So I really like that this is just a year-round little red truck. I could put this in with my Ray Dunn. Pretty little, but honestly, it's super cute, and I'm really gonna use it for tier trays, so it's a perfect size for that. I found this vase. I've seen these on Instagram. It's kind of a bubbled like effect on the outside, and it's a tall, skinny vase. They've got a ton of beautiful florals at Dollar Tree this year. Some of them are definitely misses, which we'll talk about in a minute, but the ones that are wins, this is super cute. I've seen people paint this with just some white chalk paint, distress it, kind of like how I did with those milk jugs last year. So there's a lot of different options here. But these I've seen both up in the front in the Valentine's Day kind of floral area, and I've also seen them in the just glassware section. I also found some more of those wood cutout pieces. This is the same line that the hearts came from that I just recently did the Dollar Tree like farmhouse hearts. So these are pretty thick if you look at them. Like, they are pretty thick wood, and I'm not totally sure what I'm gonna do with them. I was originally thinking that I was gonna put the options for little man's name on here and take them to the hospital. However, I was like, girl, you're trying to do way too many DIYs before he comes. So I ended up just buying one from Etsy. Like, I am definitely a crafter through and through. When I see something, I say, you know what, why would I buy that? I can make that myself. However, there was just some point where you just have to take a minute and be like, you are crazy, you're not gonna have time for that. And I'm really bad at that, but I'm trying to get better. I think I'm gonna have to get better becoming a mom and all of that fun stuff. But let me know down below, do you do that? Like, I can make this, and then you run out of time, and then you're mad that you didn't just order it because it was like 10 bucks. Let me know, am I the only one? I found some of the crafter square little tags. I was originally looking for the circles, but I figured the hearts would work anyway. They're like the little like create your own ornaments. So I'm gonna use either freehand or just use my Cricut to hook these onto some of the cube organizers in the nursery for little man, just so I know, because right now some of the stuff like way up on the shelves, like I have no idea what's in there. Like, I don't remember. Pregnancy brain is real. And so I feel like if it says like white onesies or like here are all his hats and shoes or whatever, then it will really help me keep it straight. I was able to find this at one of the bigger stores I went to, and I'm really excited about this because I've seen a lot of cool projects with these, and they are these 3D wreath forms. So I don't plan on doing a 3D situation with it. Thing is, you can do like one of these if you can see it. I'm looking through. But my plan is to take them apart, easily slide them off. So you've got different size like little hoops. A ton of stuff on Instagram for what to do with these. Okay, I may have went a little buck wild with the florals, but honestly, for $1, when you find ones that don't look terrible at the Dollar Tree, you kind of have to buy them because everybody else is gonna be like, wow, those don't look like dollar florals, and they will also buy them up. So I have seen a ton of people do really cute stuff with this. One specifically is Jessica over at Measure and Mix. She did a really, really cute like heart wreath thing with these. I will link that down below. These are gonna be all over my house for spring. I also grabbed some of their lavender, and I was kind of in a hurry this day, and I'm kind of bummed that I did buy it. These aren't terrible. However, I would suggest if you're looking for lavender like this, just go to Walmart, get their lavender. It's way better. It's usually $1.97, so you're gonna pay a little bit more, but honestly, it's not gonna shed and be like kind of icky like these. Thumbs way up, thumbs down, in my opinion. So if you're looking for florals, go the rose route for these pretty colors and ditch the lavender and just go to Walmart. Last category, randoms and like personal care. So I have not seen these before, but I grabbed 2 of them. They are shave gels, and they say right on there compared to EOS shave cream, which is what I use, but that is way more expensive at Target. So I've got a lavender and jasmine and a pomegranate raspberry scent. This is what they look like. The little pumps help with foam. I saw this Vaseline on a end cap, and so many of you guys told me I needed to get this for labor because your lips get so dry. It was like the top recommended thing from everyone about what I should put in my hospital bag. So this is gonna go in there. This is Rosy Lips Vaseline, just like a really moisturizing lip balm, chapstick, whatever you want to call it. Finally, I found these super cute little like cosmetic bags near the checkout, and I'm going to use these to kind of organize my hospital bag and then my purse moving forward. So I got this floral one, which is what I saw first, and it's super cute. It's kind of tropical but also springy. I love that they kind of have like, they look like they kind of have peonies on there. I love peonies. One that is just a bunch of little avocados, which is super cute. And then this one, I got such a kick out of it. It says, let's avocado. Oh, stinking cute. They're probably about 5 by 7. I would say that's about the similar size of like that size of photo. Checkout area is where it's at. I didn't used to look there, but then once I find things like this, I get really excited. So I do then go there. So tons of stuff from the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you are on the hunt for, or what your favorite thing was that I hauled in today's video. So as I mentioned, there will be DIYs coming up. I will share that with you. Also, if you don't follow me over on Facebook and Instagram, do that, because that's where all of the information is going to be posted when Little Man finally makes his appearance. Also hit subscribe down below so you don't miss a future Whiskey and Whit video. Good luck hunting at the Dollar Tree, because I know sometimes we all need it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!